to the Bacon Empire, citizens, and welcome to the second episode of my Spore series. Sorry that the first episode didn't have a name. I screwed that up while uploading, and I can't change it, so we're just gonna deal with it. So, in this episode, I'm hoping to get to Creature Stage. If I don't, that's gonna suck. With 15 minutes of video, and I don't get to Creature Stage, that's gonna be stupid bad. And I'm recording in the same day, so I haven't read any comments. Because the videos take forever to upload. And it's really annoying. Okay, that fixes that. And I would have music, but I don't have any music creators that would approve of me using that. Won't copyright strike me. Oh wait, I have a brother that makes music. I can just use his music. But I'd have to speak with him first. So maybe on the next episode there will be background music. You don't know. I could talk to my brother for the next episode. And he would give me permission to use with his music. Which, personally, yay, on to Creature Stage. But personally, I'm not a huge fan of my brother's music, but if it gets me the ability to have background music, I'm fine with using it. And now, let's move on! 3 evolutions. I swear I've done more before, but I always go down the carnivore route. Evolving! Normally there would be background music. But there's not. So, I'm sorry. But, okay. First of all, I need to get rid of you. Okay. So, this is when the building gets complicated. So, I have done this before. It's actually really cool what I do. I stick that there. And I have the filter mouth, which is the herbivore mouth, under her, both of them. And now they're hiding. Thus I'm gonna move to be mini horns. Okay, and I'm gonna give it that anything I wanted to add? Ooh, that would actually make really fun. Good enough. Oh, crap, I didn't speak for a bit. Sorry about that, I should have talked. But if you like the fact that I don't speak very much, leave it in the comments. I read them. What's the deepest black I can get? This black. That should be good, and then I like this. I'm gonna change the color to this. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. So, there we go. 6 minutes in, and I'm here. Applause! Because this was actually hard. And I don't like it. I don't like how hard it is to do this. And then I have to upload it. And then starting out doing YouTube is hard. Oh, sorry I talked over this cutscene. But doing YouTube is hard. So, now I've moved on from living in the ocean as a cell to a organism that needs to eat. Oh, this game gets complex over time. It gets really complex. Me being you. Okay. Now for my favorite part. Okay, one. If you know out in the top, it shows how much more I have to murder brutally. Oh, I'm not much of a kids channel. I'm just I'm not really a kids channel, but kids can watch me. I don't swear. In America. I don't swear in American. Though in England, I might say, hey, wait, a few swears or do a crappy accent. Though I don't really know English swears. England swears. I just speak. Which I'm disappointed that I have finally made it to creature stage, but I don't really have that much time left in the video. Stupid time limits. Come on, Alpha. overshot that. What's next? Okay. You guys don't see what I'm doing, especially because I cannot afford a face cam. If I could, I would have one. But I'm broke as a joke. Eat my pretty. Aloha! This is amazing. It moves on its own. I'm killing so I can get more DNA points and move on. Because DNA is at what? Am I in an epic? Am I in an epics area? Really? Oh, this happened before. You know those giant cells? Well, those were epic cells. Now, I'm dealing with the big beast ones, which I have no idea where one is, but if I saw that, that means one's nearby, and it's gonna kill me if I hang around for too long. Oh my gosh, paranoia. The closer to danger you are, the more. If you're in a dangerous area, there's gonna be bones. Epics have really big and valuable bones. And you need the bones to do more things. Unfortunately, this freaking sucks right now. Though I'm doing pretty good. I highly recommend this game to anyone that wants to try a build your own creature game. Okay, can I take you? Of course I can. Gotta eat 3 of these. Good, there's 2 adults and a baby. Oh, 3 adults. No, still. My previous statement holds up still. Oh, I completely forgot to mention the bottom bar. Okay, my brain has gotten bigger, so now I can team up with people. But currently I'm still thinking within the box, and I haven't. And you could have paused that if you wanted to read it. I refuse to read those kind of things. You! I need a teammate, so you're gonna help me now. I'm now back to attack, but I'm gonna do mating call so I can upgrade with my 101 DNA points. Oh, there you are. But I'm gonna have to end it in a second. But I go for that entire 15 minutes, so I'm gonna have to end it really soon. Also, I'm not sure if I'm a male or a female. I'm not sure if I'm a male or a female. But I'm gonna end it here. So feel free to leave the Bacon Empire for another episode coming out soon. But until then, we woo.